Here is a quick tutorial on how to order Plastazote to toes for your patient's balance brace. So you'll download the G800 order form. We're going to put it onto our computer. Once we have the order form open, we are going to obviously fill out the clinician information, the patient information. Make sure to come to the side, select bilateral, which is most common with the balance braces. If they only need a right or a left, you'll select it here. You then come down, the order form is designed with the right modifications on this side of the page, the left modifications on this side of the page. This is obviously looking at your patient while you're filling the order form out. We're going to do a Plastazote liner to toes. So we need to choose the extension to toes. So toe length, toe extension, you have the option of 1.5, 3, or 4.5. That's going to be obviously the thickness underneath your patient's foot. I'll choose 1.5. Make sure to come over and also select it for the left-hand side if we're doing bilateral. Then we'll come down to the Plastazote liner. This is going to go beneath the glove leather. So again, the three options of millimeter thickness. So I'm also going to choose 1.5 on my right order and 1.5 on my left order. Once I finish this, I'll print it out. I'll include it with either my STS sock or my plaster slipper cast impression and ship it over to the Kevin Orthopedic Lab.